I'd burn this old town down, pick a spot, dig a hole, put them ashes in the ground. Baby, I'd burn this old town down if it wasn't for my mama's house, my mama's house. Dang girl, why'd you have to break it like that, leaving pieces of my shattered heart scattered like glass. I'd burn this old town down if it wasn't for my mama's house, my mama's house. Hey everyone, I want to teach you how to play Mama's House by Dustin Lynch. His new album is just so awesome, so if you haven't listened to all of it, listen to all of it. My favorite song, this actually isn't my favorite song, even though I do love this one. Old Country Song is a great one. There's so many good ones on there. But my favorite is actually The World Ain't Yours and Mine. So that's a great one. Check that one out for sure. And let me know in the comments if you have heard it, and if so, if you like it, okay? Thanks to everyone who's subscribed so far. I really appreciate it. And to those of you who haven't, I'd ask you to please do so. No capo in this song. Love that. And it's in standard tuning, so it's super easy to play. I'm going to try to play the intro riff first, and then I'm going to show you how the chords and the strumming pattern and everything, okay? So you're going to start, I think it's easiest to use your pointer finger. You can put your pointer finger on the B string on the 2nd fret, okay? And you're going to go 2, 3. So then you're going to go on the 3rd fret, okay, on B string as well. 2, 3, 3, 5. Okay, so that's what you do. All on the B string right there. 2, 3, 3, 5. 2, 3, 3, 5. Then you go 7. Okay, 7 still on the B string. And then the next you're going to go to G, and you're going to do G on the 2nd fret, just like that, okay? And at the beginning I played it like that, but I think it's actually best if you slide it. Okay? So it's dun, 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 dun. Okay, just like that. So again, the 4th fret you're staying on the G string. Okay, so it's only on the first 3 frets, 2, 3, 3, 5, and the 4th fret, because you're doing the next fret, I should say. You do 7. Those are all on the B string, and then the next you just do 2, slide to 4 on the G. Okay, that's it. All right. Now, if you just want to play the chords at the beginning, that's just going to be, and this is going to be the same chord progression throughout all of it except for the bridge. You're just going to use B minor, A, okay, D, then G. And you could just play it kind of like that. You could kind of be like, so it would be B, A, D, G, if you want to play it like that at the beginning, okay? Now, the way that the verses are going to be, so it's still going to be that kind of like badge, but without the E, so if that helps you remember, or bad G, either way, but yeah, so it's B minor, A, D, G. So it's, I see your face, I see your face on every street, okay, so it's B, A, down, A, okay? Down, up. Okay, so that's how you're gonna play it. I see your face on every street, every corner. So then it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so it's I see your face on every street. See that? I see your face on every street. So that's just down, up, down, up. I see your face on every street, every corner, couple trees, even got a name on it. So whenever you're doing the quick transition, so B minor you don't stay on very long, then you stay on A longer. You're doing that. So when you're on the ones that you're staying on longer, you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you down, 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 up, down, up. Okay. So when you're transitioning, you're gonna be on G and A more than you're gonna be on the other ones, because the other ones are like more transitional. So it's just down, up, down, up. Okay. Then you're gonna go to A. Then down, down, up, 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 just like that, okay? So let's just try watching me and playing with me. I'm gonna try and do this so you can see what I, like, you can see like the strumming and the chords, okay? I see your face on every street. So face is when you're gonna do B, and then every street is A. And every street, every corner, couple trees, even got a name on them. I feel your love, I hear your laugh, got them take me way on back. Hurt me memories I don't want them. Up and down the boulevard. So then there I did it a little bit differently. I did down, down, up. And you can do that too if you don't want to do down, up, down, up. You can just do down, down, up. So that would be one less strum, but it's fine to do that either way, okay? And then at the end of it, you're gonna go, so when you do in and out of every bar, then what I would do is now you're gonna like put your hand. So basically, an easy way to do it is just kind of like you're not actually pushing down the strings, you're just touching them. So you can just do, okay? So you don't push them down, you just kind of touch them like that. So you would do just down, down, up, and then you go into B minor. Okay, so then it's let's see, up and down the boulevard, in and out of every bar, I'd burn this old town down. Okay, so you would do down, down, up, and then which just like that, and then you're gonna go back into the same chord progression, but you're gonna do, and it's the same strumming pattern for the chorus. You're just gonna play it louder. I'd burn this old town down and pick a spot, dig a hole, put them ashes in the ground. Baby, I'd burn this old town down if it wasn't for my mama's house. My mama's house. Okay, do you see that? So it's the same strumming pattern. You just do B, and it's the same chord progression actually too. So it's very simple. Then after you play the chorus through once, you could go back and do the intro part. Or you could just play B, A, D, G. Just play it through once, just like you were normally playing, like going back into the verse, okay? So you would just play it like a little bit softer. Okay, so you just do that, and then you're gonna go back into the second verse, which is gonna be, I would start it where we started at the downtown party, where you kissed my lips and stole my beer. Okay, so you would do that. Now, let's go into just the bridge after you do the chorus a second time. So they kind of have like an instrumental where it's just B, A, D, G, and you're gonna do that twice. Okay, you just strum it the same. Then when you go to the bridge, you're gonna play it softer. So you could just do like single strums, or you can do just like a little lighter, or you can do fire red flames, sunsets in the sky, going out, staying in, staying up all night. Okay, so you can do that kind of however you want, but I think it sounds a little bit the best if you're just gonna do fire red flames, sunsets in the sky. So you'll just still do the same strumming pattern, but just play a lot softer. So then you're gonna do A for the bridge, and then B minor, then A, and then B minor. Okay? Fire red flames, sunsets in the sky, going out, staying in, staying up long nights. Now I'm waking up alone, so waking up is A, waking up alone, wishing I could move on, blocked your number in my phone, thought it helped, but it don't. I burn this old town down. So you notice I did that same thing. Okay? So that's what I did. You don't have to do that part, I just think it just adds to it, alright? So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or requests for other songs you'd like me to teach next. It's been a lot of fun, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.